Create a new walk-in sale. Creating a new walk-in sale in Shortcuts Live allows you the flexibility to add products to the transaction, control the quantities, apply a discount, then process the payment and print the receipt. In this lesson, you'll learn how to add products to a sale, assign a sale to an employee, remove products from a sale, apply a discount, process a payment, and print a receipt. From Operations, select POS. Here you can select from an in-service client, a new client, or walk-in. Select whether it is a product or a service you want to add to the sale and drill down through the options to the item or service. Allocate an employee to the sale by selecting an employee from the side panel. Use the plus and minus buttons to edit the quantities. Select additional products or services from the menu on the left to add them to the sale. To delete an item or product added, click the Delete button. To process the payment, click the Payment button. Select the payment type, apply the amount, and click End Sale. Select Print to print a receipt or docket for the client. Click back to return to the POS screen. In this lesson, you've learned how to add products to a sale, assign a sale to an employee, remove products from a sale, apply a discount, process a payment, and print a receipt.